Manchester United welcome Brighton and Hove Albion to Old Trafford in what promises to be one of the most entertaining fixtures of the Premier League weekend. With both sides known for their attacking flair and tactical bravery, this clash offers far more than just 3 points. It is a test of progress for Rúben Amorim's new-look United and a challenge for Brighton to continue their excellent recent record in this fixture. The Red Devils enter the match on a positive note, having built momentum with back-to-back wins, including a statement result away to Liverpool. Amorim's system is starting to click, with the Portuguese coach bringing structure and energy to a team that looked lost earlier in the campaign. Brighton, meanwhile, continue to defy expectations under their modern, pressing philosophy, and have often made life miserable for United in recent seasons. In terms of team news, Manchester United will once again be without Lisandro Martínez, whose knee injury keeps him sidelined. His absence continues to test Amorim defensive depth. Harry Maguire and Mason Mount are listed as doubts, both nursing minor knocks, though Maguire is pushing to make the bench. Amorim, however, remains confident in the fitness of the rest of his squad, including new arrivals Matheus Cunha and Benjamin Šeško, who have injected vitality into United front line. Brighton injury concerns are more significant. The Seagulls are missing Solly March, Adam Webster, and Jack Hinchelwood due to long-term issues. On top of that, Kaoru Mitoma, Joel Veltman, and Brajan Gruda are all doubtful, leaving the visitors short of options in key wide areas. Despite this, their system is robust enough to absorb such absences, with several academy talents ready to step up when called upon. United are expected to line up in a 3-4-2-1 formation. Sen Lamens keeps his place in goal behind a back three of Matthijs de Ligt, Maguire if fit, and Luke Shaw. Amad Diallo and Diogo Dalot are set to provide width as wing-backs, while Casemiro and Bruno Fernandes anchor the midfield. Up front, Bryan Mbeumo and Matheus Cunha will operate behind Šeško, whose form in front of goal has caught the attention of Premier League fans. For Brighton, Bart Verbruggen will start between the posts. The defence could feature Lewis Dunk alongside Jan-Paul van Hecke, with Maxim de Cuyper and Mats Wiefer providing defensive cover on the flanks. In midfield, Carlos Balba and Yasin Ayari are tasked with controlling tempo and pressing United creative outlets. Up front, former Red Danny Welbeck leads the line, supported by Diego Gomez, Jorginho Rutter, and Yankuba Minte, a youthful and fearless attacking trio. Statistically, this fixture has tilted heavily in Brighton favor in recent years. The Seagulls have won 6 of their last 7 meetings with Manchester United, a staggering run that highlights how effectively they have exploited United tactical vulnerabilities. Old Trafford, once a fortress, has witnessed multiple Brighton wins in the past few seasons, something Amorim is desperate to change as he seeks to restore dominance on home soil. Both teams enter the clash with similar attacking numbers this season. Brighton have scored 16 goals and conceded 15 across their opening 8 matches, while United have netted 13 and shipped 12. The statistics also point to a high-scoring affair. Both sides have found the net in most of their league games this season, suggesting Saturday's encounter could deliver goals at both ends. From a tactical standpoint, Amorim pressing structure will aim to disrupt Brighton build-up from the back. The Seagulls thrive on controlled possession and patient progression, but United high-energy transitions and wing-back overlaps could expose their defensive gaps. The battle between Fernandes' creativity and Brighton disciplined midfield will likely decide the tempo of the game. Individually, all eyes will be on Benjamin Šeško. The Slovenian forward is quickly adapting to Premier League intensity and looks ready to establish himself as United primary finisher. On Brighton's side, Danny Welbeck return to Old Trafford always carries a narrative, the veteran striker loves scoring against his former club and will be eager to do so again. The match also holds psychological significance. For Amorim, a victory here would signal that his project at United is gaining traction. For Brighton, maintaining their dominance over a traditional giant would reaffirm their evolution as one of England's most tactically advanced clubs. Both managers understand the weight of this fixture and the statement a win would make. In the end, everything points toward a thrilling, end-to-end contest. Manchester United will look to harness their home crowd and build on recent momentum, while Brighton will rely on their fearless identity to exploit any defensive lapses. Whether it ends in redemption for United or another Brighton masterclass, Old Trafford is set for a spectacular showdown.